Periodontal is gum disease, which is an infection under the gums. It is very significant because it is a direct link to heart disease. Same bacteria that's in your mouth is in your bloodstream and is linked to heart disease. It's just bacteria that gets under your gum tissue that when you're not having your teeth routine cleaned and you're not doing a good job of oral hygiene, it gets under the gum tissue and it just starts to eat away at your bone. Without attention to routine gum cleanings or hygiene, you get a bacteria that builds up underneath the gum tissue, which leads to periodontal disease. Actually, it's kind of like a silent sign, like heart disease is a silent killer. It's the same with gum disease. Most people don't have any pain, but what they do notice is some bleeding of the gums or foul breath. Some of the signs are when you're brushing and flossing and you see blood, that's a sign of infection. In our office, we treat periodontal disease a couple of ways. We go underneath the gum tissue and get all that cleaned out. If you still have some pockets left over, what we call pockets, we go in with a laser and kill the bacteria that's inside there. Gum disease can be prevented by keeping up on your routine oral health cleanings and brushing and flossing at home. We educate all our patients on gum disease and we check them every time that they come in for their routine oral health cleanings. If someone is suffering from any of these symptoms or wants more information on our laser gum therapy, they could call our office for a complimentary consultation.